Hi everyone. Once again, thank you. With all your lovely wishes, yesterday I felt very happy, and now I got courage to ask you what I need. I need the most precious, the most valuable, the most essential, the most priceless thing in all our lives. That is time, the most precious thing. Yes, I need your time. What and why? I have always a doubt. What is true development? For example, coming to this our COVID pandemic. So what do you say is development? Is it like prevention by proper preventive measures like sanitation, mask and social distancing, or research and treatment of COVID, starting from just medicines to artificial life support? Of course, both are needed, but what is the true development? This doubt is not just now. It has been some more than 10 years. This doubt is there. When I'm doing my general surgery in Usmania General Hospital, I used to witness at least one amputation of leg per day. To say one is actually is less, maybe two or three per day it may happen. But if you take one, if in one hospital, one amputation per day, it means for 1 year it's going to be 365 people who are losing their limbs. If for one hospital it is like that, then what is the figures in a city, for a district, and if we analyze for a state or countrywide? So, according to the World Health Organization, every 30 seconds, a lower limb or a part of a lower limb is lost to amputation somewhere in the world as a consequence of diabetes. The paradox is they are absolutely preventable. So, then what is the development? Always, is it to find an alternative that is a prosthesis to already amputated limb or to prevent amputation? This has been a dilemma for me in which aspect we should further proceed. But after some time, I came with a health education foundation with aim to conduct activities, organize activities that educates an individual about health. It's basically a fight against three dangerous diseases. One is diabetes, number two is the depression, number three is the defect. Diabetes and its team means it includes almost all diseases which you all of are aware of, that is like hypertension, obesity, heart attacks, strokes, all this come under this. The other one is a depression and mental illness that ultimately resulting in suicides. The third one is defects at the genetic level, which may end in birth defects, cancer. So ultimately, if we fight these three Ds, means we are almost fighting against the major diseases. But I'm not able to pursue my dream. All my efforts became fail with so much of impact on my career, time, money, and so on. That's why now I am asking your help. The help I need, I will let you know in a couple of minutes.